Hi my lovely people, hope you all fine. Welcome to my kitchen by Nana. So today we are making something great, but trust me, you're going to love it. Our menu today says eggplant curry and smoked fish. Yes, you've heard me right, eggplant curry. I first washed the eggplants, cut them into small pieces, and now I'm going to place them on heat and let them boil until they are very tender. While they are boiling, I'm going to take this time to wash the fish properly, and then I'll break it into small pieces because I'm not adding it as a whole fish. I'm going to add as small pieces. After breaking the fish into the sizes that I want, I'm going to soak it in some water. Smoked fish tends to be a little bit hard, so I'm going to soak it to make the pieces soft. The eggplants look soft and almost ready, so I'm going to place them aside and then fry the vegetables. I'm only going to use onions, tomatoes and basil as fresh ingredients for this recipe. Tomatoes aren't only a source of liquid for the curry, they add a sweetness and balance the creaminess of the eggplant with their fruity tang. And for the dry ingredients, I'm only going to use curry powder, salt and chili powder. Fry until the tomatoes are tender and then add the boiled eggplants. Gently stir to avoid burning and cook for about 3 minutes just to give them a quick mix. Well, this specific dish can be vegetarian in case you don't add the fish. So in case you're vegetarian, just cook it and then don't add the fish. Transfer everything to a blender and blend until you have a smooth paste. For easy and delicious food recipes, subscribe to my kitchen by Nana. Also hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos, and also leave your comments down below in the comments section. This looks very smooth. I'm now going to add it to the smoked fish and then I'll let it cook for about 10 minutes because fish takes a short time to cook, and it will be ready to be served. Well, it looks so yummy. I know some of you want to just dive in. Don't feel shy, just comment down below and tell me what you think, and also try it out at home. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my kitchen by Nana.